Hi, are you a trader who trades on Interactive Broker's award-winning platform and are now looking to automate your trading strategies? Or are you someone who is simply interested in algorithmic trading and would like to deploy your strategies on Interactive Broker's platform? If the answer to any of your questions is yes, you are at the right place. In this course, I'll help you automate your trading strategies by using Interactive Broker's native API. Well, seeing is believing, so let me show you the end product of this course, which is a code that will help you deploy your trading strategies on Interactive Brokers platform. So as you can see, code is extracting data, it is performing analysis, and then you can see that trades
Order
are
filled.
being placed, right?
Filled.
So what this code is doing is that it is extracting the data, performing technical analysis, and based on
Order
whatever
filled.
signals that are being generated, it is placing the orders. By the end of this course, you will be able to compose these codes, which will allow you to interact with Interactive Brokers servers programmatically, extract data, perform analysis, place orders, manage your account, and do a whole lot of things programmatically. However, this course has some prerequisites. The most important prerequisite being that you should have an Interactive Brokers account. Actually, you can gain from this course without being enrolled in Interactive Brokers because they do allow you to open paper trading account, and you should be able to do everything that we discuss in the course just by using papers trading account. But the idea is that you will graduate to a proper account by the end of this course. The second most important course prerequisite is Python familiarity. You should be comfortable with Python. And when I say you should be comfortable with Python, I mean you should know about what are data types, what are Python data structures, for example, list, dictionary, tuple. You should be comfortable with loops, functions, how to install library, and things like that. Interactive Brokers API uses some fairly advanced Python concepts, which I will explain in this course. However, if your basics are not clear, you will really struggle in this course. So I strongly recommend that you build your basics before enrolling to my course. The other important course prerequisite would be finance or trading basics because we use a lot of finance and trading parlance. For example, going long, short, buy, sell, things like that, right? And also you are expected to know basic high school level mathematics and statistics because some of the strategies that we'll discuss uses these concepts. At this point, I would want to clarify what to expect and what not to expect from this course. You can expect to build decent familiarity with Interactive Broker's native API to perform your algorithmic trading. You will learn how to extract data, perform technical analysis, order management, account management, etc. on Interactive Brokers platform. You will know how to perform fundamental analysis and backtesting your strategies. You will also learn how you can deploy the strategies that you have backtested on Interactive Brokers platform and implement algorithmic trading. You will also learn how to stream tick level data and build a strategy around streaming tick level data. You should not expect to learn trading strategies from this course, although we will discuss some basic trading strategies. This is not a trading strategy course. The expectation is that you know about trading strategies and that you're looking to automate those trading strategies. It's also important for me to highlight that while I do cover basic backtesting of your strategies, I don't go into the nitty gritties of it. So building sophisticated backtesting is something that I have left out of this course, and this is not something that you should expect. I'm really excited that you have considered enrolling to my course, and I hope that you will give this course a try. Thanks a lot.